How to remove someone from your WhatsApp group. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove someone from your WhatsApp group. So in order to remove someone, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, launch your WhatsApp application on your device. Then go to the group from which you want to remove a person. After you have gone to the group, you can see your group page. Now in the top, you can see your group's name and your photo. Click on it. After you do that, scroll a bit down and over here, you can see the members of the group. Now, if you want to remove one of the member, just click on the name of the member. Then you can see options over here like view their account, message them, make them group admin or remove them or verify security code. Just go to the option of remove, then click on OK. After you do that, the member will be removed from the group. So this is how you can remove anyone from your WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.